Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this one's a requested video wherein I'll share 6 DIY or let's say watercolor bookmarks which are captivating yet easy to do. So watch till the end, and without further more delay, let's get into the video. So for all the bookmarks, I'm using all the basic materials and nothing fancy as such for which you'll have to step out to purchase it. So start with washing the watercolor sheet with water, and then I started with creating a rainbow gradient like shown, but you can obviously create your monotonous gradients as well. Let it dry for some time, and once it's dried you can start by creating some simple designs using Fineliners, and also write a simple quote or just a word that motivates you. You can punch a hole and then tie a thread or ribbon to it, and there you go, you have your bookmark ready. Now for the next one, I thought of going little summery, beachy and floral, although it's not summers, but it's okay because why not? I drew and painted some sunflowers with blue background. For the next bookmark, I went for a monotonous color that is blue, so I created a gradient with it. And for adding more details, I lined it up with buildings. To add on to that as well, I wrote salty vibes because why not? And look, we are halfway through our bookmarks. The third one was also easy. If you've attended your childhood art classes sincerely, this is one of the things you might remember. Just a fun way of playing with paints, like blowing the paints. It's actually fun. Again, let it dry, write a quote, punch a hole, tie a ribbon or thread, and you are done. Next one's just a cute little rainbow striped bookmark. You can even write a quote. I thought of not doing so because it would have become clumsy, but instead I sticked a cute little cloud. And yes, even this is done. Last but not the least is a subtle solid block color bookmark with a word "read" written on it. I thought of making all of these bookmarks very basic and simple, but if you would like to see leveled up ones, then let me know in the comment section below and I would love to do them for you guys. And yeah, by this we come to end of this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, goodbye.